Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel Pinoy IT. Okay, so this afternoon guys, our video is about how to change the admin password of the router using a mobile phone. Okay guys, so one of my viewer or reader he's asking on how to do it using a mobile phone. Okay, so this is the method or the process guys. So I will make a demonstration on how to do it. Okay guys, so let's get started guys. This is Pinoy IT. Alright. Okay guys. So this is how to change the admin password or change a Wi-Fi name using a mobile phone. Okay, either Android or iOS or Apple cell phone. Okay, let's get started. So first you go to settings. Okay, so here settings. Okay, wait, settings. Okay, settings. And then go to network and internet. There. And then you connect to the Wi-Fi. So in this example, the Wi-Fi is this one. Okay, B310. So select that one, and then you enter your Wi-Fi password. So in my case, I will enter, okay, so 5. Okay, I will enter my Wi-Fi password, LE MH 44440. Okay, so connect. Okay guys, so right now it is already connected to the Wi-Fi or to the router. Okay, so this is the router that I used for just for the example guys. Okay, so that's the router. So right now we're already connected. Okay, so in order to change the admin password after you connect to the Wi-Fi to the router, open a browser. So in this case, I will use Chrome, this one. Okay. Okay. So here, you see 192.168.8.1. So that is the default IP address of the router guys. So in the address bar here, you type the IP address. So 192, okay, 192.168.8.1 and then enter. we can now modify our password. Okay, so the current password is admin. Okay guys, admin. Current password is admin. Admin. Okay, and then if you want to change, simply put a new password. Okay, for example, Pinoy IT, Pinoy IT 1. Okay, Pinoy IT 1. Okay guys, so after you enter your new admin password, you hit apply. Okay, apply. Okay, see guys, it will ask you password are saved in the Google, so you can use them on any device, so you can update or you can just do X. So in my case, I will choose update. Okay, so that's it guys. We already changed the admin password of this router. Okay, so this is how we change the password of the router using a mobile phone. If you want to change the Wi-Fi name also, including the Wi-Fi key, it is with the same process guys. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Hit like, subscribe. Okay, so that's the simple method guys on how to change the admin password of the router using a mobile phone, either Android or iOS or Apple cell phone. So the same process guys, the same process, and also it will apply to all routers. Okay, all, especially generic routers. When I say generic routers, those commonly used routers, common with no brand or branded or unbranded, so it will work guys. So the process is the same. Alright guys, so hit like and subscribe. Stay safe guys, and God bless everyone. Bye bye. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye bye.